I'm Willie Pietersen, professor of the practice of management at Columbia Business School in New York. That title actually denotes something, practice of management. I describe myself as a detribalized practitioner. Teaching is my second career. My first career, I was a corporate executive and the CEO of a number of different companies over a period of 20 years. And that practical experience very heavily shapes my approach to teaching. There is a view that sometimes gets expressed that strategy is something that happens right at the top of the organization. And all the rest of the organization has to do is just implement instructions from the top. And that there's some kind of mysterious way to concoct a strategy behind some kind of a curtain and then emerge from it, announce it on the stage, and everybody will then enthusiastically gallop towards applying it. Well, the world doesn't work that way. If you just give people instructions, what you might get is compliance, but you won't get commitment. So people need to be involved in the process. And the truth of the matter is that to be effective, strategy needs to cascade from the top right through the system. So the way I think about this is that it needs to start with a shared understanding, then you get a shared commitment, and then you get unity of action. And the end result we're aiming at is unity of action that is driven by commitment, not just compliance. This raises the question of who is this course for? Who will derive benefit from attending this course? This applies not only to people at the corporate level, it applies to what we call our business partners who might be in a service function like IT and HR or finance, all of whom really need to act in unison with the corporate objectives and corporate priorities and need to lead their teams in a way that is strategically focused. Because the truth of the matter is that winning at value means that we have to create greater value than the costs we incur. And if any part of the organization is not doing that, it's actually destroying value. So for anybody who's leading a team effort of any kind in the total corporation would derive value from attending this course. So what the organization gets as a benefit ultimately from this is a systematic way to think about strategy, a systematic way to function strategically, a common language, and a way to make sure that the organization is able to cascade its strategy through the entire system. So it starts with shared understanding, then you get a shared commitment, then you get unity of action. That's the ultimate benefit, unity of action.